This video is from www.makemegenius.com. If you want to see more science videos, go to www.makemegenius.com. Oh, yeah, it is free.
Look at this picture. It shows simple life cycle. All living species keep changing throughout the life. It starts from egg or seed. They take birth, they grow up, then they become adults, and they reproduce at this stage. When a plant or animal reach young age, they can make babies with them. Most of the animals have very simple life cycle. Most of the birds' life cycle starts from egg. When egg hatches, a chick comes out. Chick is similar to their parents. They have wings, beak, and feet. But these are not fully developed. First, parents have to feed them as they are not able to find food themselves. Slowly their wings develop and they can fly like their parents and can find food for themselves.
So you're going to www.makemegenius.com for science videos. It also has lots of interesting facts and PowerPoint presentations for children.